Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Mel, and for today's video, I would like to share with you the different types of products that I alternately use when removing makeup at the end of the day. And aside from that, I would also be unboxing one product I bought last December for removing makeup, so I would include that in this video. It's nice to see your beautiful smiling faces again, guys. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. And if you have already been here for a while, welcome back and thanks for watching my videos. So let's go ahead and start. One type of product we can use to remove makeup is this. Parang wet wipe siya, but it's called Makeup Remover Towelettes. I think this one is good when you're traveling or kung gusto mo mabilisang linis or kapag tinatamad ka or gusto mo mabilisang tanggal ng makeup. Well, I think I could recommend this one. Kasi mapapahid mo siya talaga dun sa mga singit-singit, like yung mga dun sa mga gilid. Yan. So, and this is also cheap, like this is around 100 or 99 pesos sa Watsons, and meron na siyang 30 towelettes or wet wipes. So this one is Q10 Cleansing Towelettes Makeup Remover. So it doesn't just remove makeup. It says here it gently cleanses, tones, and remove makeup. Skin revitalizing formula enriched with coenzyme Q-10 and vitamin E, and it's ideal for all skin types. I purchased this from Watsons. So again, this is one type of product you can use to remove your makeup. So the other one is this water and oil based makeup remover. I purchased this from Beauty Manila and it was on sale. I think this is just 199 pesos and it's 250 ml. So sabi dito, it has fresh water feel and then it's a balance of water and oil. So para sa akin itong product na to is a bit strong for me. Mararamdaman mo siya kapag kunyari nilagay mo na siya sa cotton pads, and talagang mararamdaman mo, para sa akin na medyo matapang to para sa akin. So ewan ko sa inyo, please comment down below if this is something you prefer, yung mga ganito. One thing I wanna add, merong time na ginamit ko to na nalagay ko siya sa mata ko and sobrang hapdi niya sa mata, guys. Natakot ako kasi akala ko baka mabulag ako. Yun yung reason kung ba't ko nasabi na medyo itong product na to is strong para sa akin. Pero meron namang iba pang mga makeup removers, like I tried yung Nivea, and then alam ko meron din yung Neutrogena. So meron pang other brands ng mga ganitong makeup removers. So ang hassle lang minsan kasi kailangan pang gumamit ng cotton pads, tapos minsan hindi lang isang cotton pads, dalawa or tatlong cotton pads bago talagang totally ma-remove yung makeup sa entire face mo. And then the other one na pantanggal ko ng makeup is this one. Makeup Remover Mitten. So ito yung pinaka para sa akin madali na pan-remove ng makeup at saka pinaka matipid. Kasi hindi mo na kailangan bumili from time to time na wet wipes or nitong, kasi diba itong product na to nauubos. So maganda rin yung may ganito ka pang emergency. I got this as a gift last Christmas from my cousin. And I'm super thankful kasi nga so iniiwan ko na lang to naka-hang sa CR namin. So, kunyari nasa baba ako, nasa taas yung mga products na kailangan kong gamitin at tinatamad ako umakyat, ito na lang yung ginagamit ko. So, kaya lang gently mo lang siyang kaskas sa mukha mo, hindi naman ganun. So parang, so what you would do is to wet this with tap water. Mas maganda kung maligamgam na tubig para pag lapat mo sa mukha mo talagang masarap yung feeling. So what you're gonna do is just wet this and then you would wipe it off your face para ma-remove yung mga makeup pati sa liig. And then you can wash this with soap. Madaling natatanggal yung makeup and then try mo ulit pasadahan pa ng isa yung mukha mo para matanggal totally yung iba pang naiwan residue. And then after that, that's when you would wash your face with cleansing soap, whatever yung ginagamit ng facial wash. Yun. So ito, napakatipid niya and nalalaban. So pang emergency pag wala ka na ng mga products na gusto mong gamitin pang remove ng makeup. Depende sa mood, depende sa kung tamad o hindi yung paggamit ko nitong iba't ibang klase ng makeup remover. Pero ang pinaka-importante sa lahat is you remove your makeup before you sleep at the end of the day, okay? So, na-mention ko rin kanina during the intro yung isang product na nabili ko last December na ngayon ko lang ma-unbox. So, it's also one type of product that you can use to remove your makeup. And it is cleansing balm. So, yung nabili ko is itong Dior Prestige Exceptional Cleansing Balm Oil. Sabi dito, wow. Okay, so ilagay ko na lang sa description box yung price nito. Pero actually, nabili ko to ng sale. As in, sobrang markdown siya. Kaya yung presyo niya from the original price is way cheaper, guys. So, as I mentioned, let's unbox it. Kasi talagang sobrang ngayon ko lang talaga siya magagamit. Okay. So, I like the packaging. It's gold. Super elegant. Okay. And then, sa likod, meron siya nitong mga iba yung language guys. Sa totoo lang. Pero meron din namang English na sinasabi dito. This delightful balm with rose wax gently cleanses the skin. Its texture transforms into silky oil that envelopes the skin while melting away impurities and the most stubborn makeup. Upon contact with water, it transforms into a silky milk that rinses away effortlessly. Oh wow! The skin is left feeling incredibly smooth, supple and comfortable. Apply morning and night to face, eyes, lips using the Dior Institute application technique. Rinse with water. Okay. I think I'm gonna like this. Alright. Okay, so let's try to open it and see what is inside. Oh, okay. So, ito ang makikita mo pagbukas. Meron itong meron itong parang what's this? Maliit na booklet. Parang manual. Ano to? Cellphone. There's a lot of information.
Dior Prestige Skincare concentrates the extraordinary life force of Rose de Granville. A more complete correction of all signs of aging is now possible. Crafted from a wild rose, discovered on the fruits of Granville, this rose was selected for its extraordinary vitality. After 15 years of research, Dior Sciences isolated.
Okay, so it's talking about how the product was developed.
Okay. Dior Prestige has created the first Dior cleansing ritual steeped in rose. The formula is with rose wax, rose micelles, and sugar microcrystal deliver deep cleansing while maintaining greatest respect for the skin.
Moving on. Buksan na natin ulit. Oh, meron siya nito. Ano kaya to? Ooh, meron siya nito. Yung pang dut-dut ng product.
What?
Ang ganda. Oh. Ang lakas maka-ano. Maka-elegant. Oh, ano siya? Ang laki pala nito. Akala ko maliit lang. It says it's made in France. 150 ml. Okay, look at the packaging, guys. And it's pink. Ooh, ang ganda. Okay, so, buksan natin. Paano ba ito buksan? Ayan, bukas naman siya, guys. Ayan, naka-seal pa, guys. So, Dior. Lakas maka-social nito, ha. Okay, so, pag-open mo, ayan, pag-open mo, meron pa ulit isa. Ang daming pintuan itong product na to, ha. Okay. Ayan, pagkatanggal mo nito, ayan na siya. Bumulaga na yung product. Amoy rose petal siya, guys. Grabe. Okay, so hindi mo kakamayin, ha. Kasi may kasama siyang ganito. So, i-try natin siya. Oh my god, napaka-rich naman itong product. Hindi ko alam, guys, kung ganito to, ha. Wala ako napanood na video pa kung paano itong ina-apply. Pero, ayan, ganyan na lang siguro. Ayan. Teka pa, may direction ba kung paano? Sabi lang, apply to for face, eyes, and lips. Rinse with water. Okay, so, pagkalagay natin ganito. Sorry guys, first time kong gumamit ng cleansing balm. I think ganito siya. Nagantuhin mo siya. Ayan. Pati lips. So, pagkatapos nito, i-rinse ko siya with water. Ang sobrang bango niya, guys. As in, amoy rose siya na petal. Rose na bulaklak na fresh. Ganun yung amoy niya. At saka, pag pinahid mo na siya sa mukha mo, sobrang mararamdaman mo yung pagka-rich nung product. Ayan. So, balm to oil ang effect niya talaga. Ayan. Hi guys! I'm back. So, I've cleaned my face with water and then I've also washed it with my facial wash. Ayan. So, the next thing you're gonna do is to sleep. So, sleep is very important for us guys. So, okay, so I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos every week, guys. And see you on the next video. Bye!